Hey everyone, thanks for watching and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I like to pin curl my hair and also this flawless date night makeup that I've been wearing. The very first product that I'm using is my Black Opal Cream Contour Stick. Now I love using this because it just blends in so seamlessly with the skin. I can apply this anywhere on my face and it just still blends in really nicely. I just think cream just blends in really good. And I like how the cream can really sculpt out the face. Like you can actually see your contour when you're using cream. So one of my favorite products to use. Going in with my all-time favorite concealer. This is the MAC Prolong Wear Concealer. No matter what you're gonna be doing, this concealer is so heavy duty. Once you put this concealer on and you set it with your powder, you do not have to worry about it. Like, it's not moving. It is so dependable, so I love it. One of my favorite products ever. My Laura Mercier setting powder is like my go-to. Once I started using that setting powder, I just didn't touch any of the other powders that I had anymore because it was just that good. So I ran out of that setting powder and I was about to go out and I was like, you know what? I don't have time to go to the store to get a new one. I had the Fenty Beauty Butter. I think it's butter. And I just trusted it. I didn't know if it had flashback or anything. I had only used it maybe 2 other times. It's so good. Like, I was so happy about this. I haven't even purchased another Laura Mercier powder because the Fenty Beauty is so good. For my eyes, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer. It is a bronzer, but the shade is so pretty. Like, I just like using this all over the face. So I'm going to apply this on my eyes as my contour crease shade. And it's really soft. If you're into like soft browns, soft neutrals, this shade is so pretty. I probably use this shade too much, but when I tell you guys, like, I get the most compliments on this shade right here. It's like a pink, but as you guys can see, it does have a little bit of a gold to it, and it's from the McGrath Mothership 5 palette. Going into that same palette, I'm using this darker purple shade for my outer crease to really sculpt my eye and give me more of a going out date night type of look. Her shadows are really pigmented, so I do have to make sure that I take my time blending it out. I do the same blush routine every time. I always apply my blush and bronzer together. I mix them together on the brush and then I go in and apply it because it just softens it and makes it not so harsh when you apply it. It gives you that really natural, flawless look. So I love doing this. And then also that bronzer we've already used on our face, so it just pulls the look together. I'm gonna go ahead and start on this hair. I'm using these grip clips. I love these. They're so heavy duty, and also these little small clips I'm gonna be using for my pin curls. So I'm going in with my curling iron. Now this curling iron I love so much because it's like a duo. It has a really small clip, so you can still clip the hair onto it. But as you start to curl, it turns more into a wand, and it gives you that wand curl look. So I love this curling iron because I don't really like super tight curls. I like more of a messy, wild look. So this curling iron gives me like the perfect combination of a tighter curl and a wand curl. I'm just going in and curling the hair. Once I'm done, I just follow that same pattern, roll it up and put my clip on it, and I'm gonna do this all over. I'm just going in and taking all of those pins out and letting the curls fall. I'm not really into the tighter curl look, so I'm going to use my Got To Be. I love this. I feel like I was late to the party for this because I've been seeing girls use this for so long, and I finally grabbed it, and now I see like why everyone is using this. It gets the job done. But I do like adding volume to my hair. So I'm going to use my rat tail comb and just tease the bottom of my hair out. And because we use the pin curls, they really lock that curl in place. You don't have to worry about your curl just being completely gone if you do want to do this. So I just go in and tease my hair until I feel like I want to stop. Once I'm done, I'll lock it in place with my Got To Be spray. I cannot complete any look these days without using my Tiana Taylor highlighter. The last time I checked on MAC website, they actually did still have some of these. I don't know if they still do now, but this highlighter is so bomb. I used Oak lip liner to nude my lips out. I want to create just like the perfect nude lip. So I used Oak lip liner, and then I'm going in with Prrr Lip Glass and to highlight the center of my lips just to add a little extra. And then I'm also using Very Go Lightly. This is like a gold champagne nude. So in love with this right now. And I like to use this in the center of my lips just to add like a highlight to my lips to finish the look off. And here is our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed these pin curls and also this flawless date night makeup. And if you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know that you guys want more videos like this. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Tay Franklin, and I will see you guys in my next video. This is a 316 brush from MAC also. And I love using this just to like really smooth it out and create a nice smooth layer. Here's Candy Box, another pink that I'm really into, and this one is a newer gloss to their collection. I really love how MAC shades are so bright. Like they give you the look of a lipstick with it being a gloss.